नमस्ते विद्या, हमेशा कृष्ण में विद्या. Myself, Jayendra K. Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal with on the topic Avapedaga Snehapana. The meaning of the word Avapedaga is to press down, that is, pressing of the thing. Avapedaga Sneha is the treatment procedure administered for Mutra Vegarodhajanya Vikaras, Adhunabhigata Pada Vikaras, in which Sneha is consumed immediately before food and after digestion. It can also be done in infertility, BPH, IBS, plastic colon, etc. Sneha is selected according to the physician's yukti. Materials required: Sneha according to the patient's condition, quantity sufficient, measuring jar 500 ml, glass 1, float 1, lemon 1, water bottle with shundi kwada, quantity sufficient, cotton quantity sufficient, gauze piece 1. The quantity and dimension. The quantity of medicated ghee is Uttama Matra. The measurement of it is variable and subjective. The Uttama Matra Sneha is the amount of Sneha that gets digested in 24 hours. To calculate this, initially the CSE matra should be given, noticing the time taken for its digestion. The CSE matra is the Hina matra which is told as test dose. And after the analyzement of this action of CSE matra on the body, further dose are calculated. Keeping this data, quantity of sneha that get digested in 24 hours should be calculated. The procedure involves two steps of administration of sneha, one before food intake and after, and second after the digestion of food. On the day of snehapana, patient should be observed for the lakshanas of Veda Pravapti, Agni Deepti, and initially half portion of sneha is given, followed by little quantity of hot water. This hot water is given for shamana purpose and also for the easy digestion of sneha. The patient should be advised to take morning food soon after. After the digestion of the food, which is evidenced by plain belching, evacuation of bowels, lightness, thirst and hunger. The remaining portion of the sneha should be given in a place devoid of grease and by covering himself, awaiting the digestion of sneha. Feeling of lightness, relief from the symptoms like headache, giddiness, exhaustion, etc., and escape of flights, appearance of appetite, thirst, and pure belching indicates the complete digestion of sneha. For Shodhana purpose, 3/4 of the full dose initially given, then food after digestion, 1/4 of the total dose is given. This is called as Avapedaga Sneha. That is, first we will take some quantity of sneha and in between we are giving them food. Then after the digestion of that, then again we are giving the rest of the dose of the sneha, so that this sneha will get pressed inside the food which we have taken. That is called as Avapedaga Sneha. Thank you. I hope you all have understood the class taken on this topic, and if you are having any queries, please do mention in the comment box below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.